Previously on.
Get the win. I ain't come out here for nothing.
Y'all, now we're here for the 5v5 now, y'all. I got my contestants right here, the challengers. Okay, they hyped, they ready. But I arguably put the best YouTube team together ever. Check my dogs out. Check my dogs out. Check my dogs out. Check my dogs out. It's game time, baby. It's game time, baby.
We flew 8 participants down to LA for a series of 1-on-1s, 3-on-3s, and 5v5s. They will be judged by their skills, energy, and personality.
I play basketball.
On the first day, all participants played ones against each other. The Ballislife Panel will handpick the top 4 to go up against the masked bosses and the big guard himself. On day 2, our panel will also suit up with the masked bosses for the 5-on-5 series. On the last day, the bosses and Duke will draft from the 8 participants for the 3-on-3 series to end it off. Welcome to Hoop Dreams.
Nephew, Skoob, nephew.
They not on that.
You look like Sid from Ice Age.
Young boy, I hate you.
You wear corny as shit like Grant Hill. Oh, she's like Grant Hill.
Man, we got rags. He better than Duke. You heard him say it. You better than Duke? Yeah.
Talking that shit right now, he know what the fuck is up.
We don't know if he has hair or not under that do-rag.
I actually do.
I didn't even tell y'all the secret weapon.
They don't want this smoke. I got cheese. I'm taking cheese to the post.
That's the real Zach Randolph.
Your voice don't match your body.
Real Zach Randolph, but he right-handed.
His voice don't match his body.
Wait,
It don't gotta match.
I don't like his voice.
It don't gotta match. It don't gotta match. The people love it. Boom! Already. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys.
We still getting warm.
Hey, got two.
Good flow. Taking device.
Who you want to get? Y'all good?
Frank ain't doing nothing.
Let's get right, dude.
focus a little bit. Sir! Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see?
It's a long game.
Do your thing, coach.
I'm not coaching it.
Do your thing, coach. Do your thing, coach. Hey, fellas, let's go. Run that play, fellas. Stay on your side.
Yeah, Ness really played defense. Jump ball! That's
Little ass.
Hey, come on. Stay on your side, bro. Stay on your side, bro.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah, fuck him up, Frank. Frank him up, Frank.
That's 100 pounds.
That's good, y'all. I thought he can't shoot.
I told him to bust his head.
Buck.
Oh, I ain't out. This work. This fool right here, nigga. This fool. Hibachi.
What? That was an accident. Let him fuck up. Come here. You come in. You get in. You come here. I want you.
For me, nigga. You ain't ready for me, nigga.
I'm a point guard.
That shit was crazy.
Talk better than you play. Talk better than you play. Niggas crazy. I wish a nigga would bet me one-on-one versus Frank. I wish you would.
Son of a bitch. Crazy thing. Come on, Life, man. Fuck out of here, bro. Come on, I got you. I told you. Come on, man. Don't come at me. I told y'all niggas. Stop calling me out. That's what I'm talking about. These niggas ain't ready for us.
Six man of the year, man.
You know what I'm saying? They ain't ready for us. Hey, they ain't ready.
Y'all did. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Go. That's the shit I want to see.
I told you that.
Can you start?
I ain't gonna lie. I just played.
That was yours.
I'm loving this.
That was supposed to be. It was something right there.
I'm loving
I
this.
felt like Jokic getting
Hey, but
rebounds,
so,
set screen. They ain't even put me in.
we gotta.
You like a
We can't let them get on the second.
Two niggas that don't make threes made two. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
He made 3.
What I say?
That stinky ass jump shot. Stinky ass jump shot. Target practice.
back on defense, man.
No, it was not. The real one.
You can't guard Rags. You can't guard Rags, nigga. You can't guard Rags. Mosky, did you see a foul? Run, review it, review it. Let's go. Hey, dunk that. Quick hit, coach. Oh, my God. Watch that nigga. Let's go. Get one, J.O. Come on, come on. That's J. Lou. That's J. Lou. That's J. Lou. I get assists. Where you at? I get assists. I don't need a score. I get assists. I get assists. I got 3.
That's your first assist.
I got Duke. You ain't ducking the ball no more.
That nigga be talking good.
Not ducking no more.
Tell him stop talking.
That shit sweet. Talking about the real J. Lou.
What is that? What is he doing? What is he doing? Oh, I didn't see it. It better not be up there. I didn't see it. It better not be up there.
Let's go, Squad.
Turnover, man. Keep going. He worse than me.
You got 8 assists.
Come on.
You got 8 assists.
That's J. Lou. That's J. Lou. He don't got no rebound. He don't got no rebound.
But not for cheating.
Right?
Stop. Nitty ain't got nothing. Nitty ain't got nothing. Nitty ain't got nothing.
Goddamn kids out the street. All that fouling. All that hacking.
Here you go, ball.
Quit hacking. That's all y'all do is foul. It's not a foul. I didn't see a foul. I didn't see a foul. Hey, Bert, next time, super slow, Bert. And 10! Little ass niggas! There's a bunch of kids out there! Oh shit. Chill, Skoob.
Man, hey, hell no.
Come on. Yeah! What? I don't told you I can't make no threes. Fred Nitty ain't make no threes. What?
That's a 3.
I tell you.
Everybody good for 1.
Hell yeah. Nah, Nitty, you got me, Nitty.
That's it.
Start cheese for possession next game.
You got me.
Ball 2 times. But I feel like if he come down the court and he see you, he gonna clear that out. You know what he gonna do to you? What he gonna do? He gonna no. Lay you no. Frank's gonna dunk it. He gonna dunk it. I said it. He gonna dunk it. I said it.
Hey, but it's 2 attempts, man. Air balls. Crazy.
Yeah, G.
Not worry about that. It's a new game.
Ball. That's what it is. Ball.
We'll take it. We don't want that, but we'll take it.
I died shit sometimes.
Let's go! Count that bucket. Count that bucket. Get out of here.
Yes, sir.
My mission has failed, y'all. My only mission was to not let Jeez, I gotta get this. You're a hell of a player, man.
They got me fucked up. That was a game winner right there for me.
Alright. I ain't gonna say no name, but he scored more points than niggas that played 3 games.
He can't shoot. He can't shoot.
Hey, brother.
Come on, y'all. Y'all killing me, man.
Well, let's hold, bro.
But I play defense. Good move.
Castro from Jersey. I'm from Philly, but he my friend today. He really from Jersey. Yeah, yo, you see how he's
Behind you. I like J.O. jump shot. Next time you gonna make it, I will bet. You wanna bet next time J.O. shoot you make it? Let's bet. No bet. No bet. I think he can't dunk. I never seen him dunk. He can't dunk. You can't dunk.
Y'all can't get past half court right now.
So 11. that out, Loski. He following me. Don't cut that out. Damn,
That nigga made a shot. He been here 3 days, ain't made no shot. What the fuck going on? It's about time he did something. The first good thing he did.
Oh, shit.
He heating up. That's that nigga. He heating up.
Take that shit.
Take that shit. What? Yeah! He leaned on me. I thought niggas was big guard. I thought he was a big guard.
Let's go.
Let's go, boys. Get a basket, boys.
The score was gonna be 15-10. Hey, Frank, I predict a 15-10. Go finish the game, bro. Do what you do, gang.
Man, no fat ass boat, man.
Hey, now it's point shaving, bro.
Nothing.
I gotta respect to be contested, bro. That's all I'm saying. Nah. Now let's tap in.
Come on, y'all don't bullshit, y'all.
They said I couldn't shoot the fucking ball. I
My homie, it's game. I know my
Hey man, I think I
He's 39.
This shit is up.
That was the old knee.
New knees, no knees, hard.
I would hate to come in.
I can't do that no more.
Hey, look. Hey, hold. Put the camera on him. Put the camera on him.
Dumbass. Put your dumb ass. I feel like all the games was close. All the games was close. At one point, they felt like they was going to lose.
Real quick, it's post game. Y'all didn't get a win at all today. When you go to the gym,
Come on, boys. No. They my boys. I'm rocking with them. They my boys.
So what happens when you come to the gym and you don't get no wins? You leave with no wins. What I need a dread.
No, they got run suicide.
I need a dread.
Suicide.
They got suicide. Hey, get in the line.
Come on, I'm running with him. Let's go.
Suicide. I don't even do my homework.
Me personally, I feel like I didn't see enough from Frank Nitty. He did have an exceptional dunk at the end of the game, and maybe 1-3, right? But I didn't see nothing exceptional. I like Burke, right? Come here, Burke. I like Burke right now over Frank Nitty.
I like Burke too.
And I like me. He don't want to play me. I like me. I don't like you. That's how it is.
Hey, that's a wrap on the 5v5. Good shit. You already know, like I said, my boys was gonna come. 3-0 sweep. Rajon, you talk good, but you're not that good. Frank Nitty ended the game how he ended. He's 52 years old, still dunking. Hey, but once again, that's a wrap for day 2. We'll be back for day 3 tomorrow, y'all.
I told y'all they came with us.
All right, fellas, that was a good day 2. Like I said, the 4 that stepped up today and had to play the 4 bosses, good to y'all. Bro, y'all held y'all own. Y'all did that shit. Now, y'all did y'all shit. The 5-on-5, that surprised me. Yeah. Y'all, it was some people that I already knew, kind of, they had game. J. Lou surprised me, bro. I ain't gonna lie. J. Lou, you surprised me. Yo, efficiency on the court in a 5-on-5 was there. If you would have had that in the 1v1, you know what I'm saying? But you took the right shots. You did throw up some BS, but Rags, I feel, no, I'm about to give you your flowers. Defensively, what I was going to say about you was, defensively, you did everything you were supposed to do. Like, you showed the athletic, you was rebounding. It's hard to get the ball when everybody guards. So I understand. I know, but you was doing your thing on defense. I forgot.
We gave
your
you,
ass guy. We gave you an opportunity.
We gave you a little taste of what you asked for.
He sent the submission tape, was calling out the homie.
Yes, sir.
You call, hold on.
Please,
don't do that.
Wait.
Don't do that.
Please
don't do
replay
that.
the submission tape when we tell you this right here.
And the person I feel like I can beat one-on-one is Duke Skywalker.
Talking right now, he know.
He came. The first thing he said was, "I'm calling out Duke."
Yes, he did.
So today, Duke, y'all wasn't scheduled to play no one-on-one. Duke ain't had no clue. We put you in front of him.
And he scored. I scored.
5-0, quick. 5-0, quick.
No.
So how you feel about it? You think you can really compete?
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm not gonna lie. Since I got here, like after that 1v1, my whole just dropped.
Yeah.
Attitude dropped. I was like, I don't even want to be here. You know what I'm saying?
So why?
Cause first of all, like I said, when I just started hooping, you know what I'm saying, I wasn't always cold on offense. But then when I got good at offense, I come here, it's like, damn, this against the whole house. I'm looking at the papers. It's 77. I'm like, oh shit, you don't even like me in this. So I'm just laying on my phone. So then now it's just like the energy just drops. I'm like, shit, I want to just go.
That should give you a chip, though. That should give you a chip.
And I understand that. And y'all watched me play before we I'm hooping. But then that's just me though, me personally. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm here, like nowhere, and compared to where I could be, because it's like your confidence got to stay there.
So did we make a mistake picking?
Shit.
Is that how you feel?
I'm gonna say whatever y'all feel like, but I know.
We didn't say.
I know.
What you just said, we didn't say that about you.
I know.
You said that about yourself.
Nah.
You said, Oh, they said I'm sorry. They don't even like
no,
me.
I'm not.
Go home.
But I'm not judging off that. That's my shit.
But if you real though, you came in like these high.
You walked in the house saying, play that back.
I played my one-on-one. I lost by one. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I still play my shit.
But if you're struggling like that, and you know you've been, cooking before, that's how you know you're in the right spot.
That's me mentally. I just got the best of myself today, and it is what it is.
But okay, so if we take it competition type thing, right? All came out here for a reason. It's only one.
Yeah.
It is.
So they not about to be like, yeah, man, good job, bro. You're doing good. You're good. I'm trying to be the one.
That's me personally,
So
though.
if we can talk him out of his shit, oh, that's easy. That's one we ain't got
one less.
to worry about.
Yep, one less.
You know what I'm saying? So take that as a learning lesson.
Yeah, for sure.
What you saying to us right now, what you saying to everybody watching is, I came in the house with confidence.
Yeah.
Everybody talking this made me lose my confidence. Now, for us, Ballislife, we want to work with you. We want to take you to the next level. We go to different cities. We go all over the place.
What fans do is
and
bring you
everybody, as soon as we walk in the door, they talking that shit. F y'all.
Trolls
forget
everywhere.
Y'all ain't gonna get no buckets over here. You can't do that. So you telling us right now, you can't do the job. I can't do the job. It's too much. You know what I mean? And you sleeping like y'all hanging together. Y'all chilling together. And they've been pumping you up all week. You know what I mean? But the little bit of bitter back and forth, you can't handle. So what you saying to us is, I can't handle the job because everybody down talking me. Bro, we go to cities. They have stadiums. We go into places, bro, and it's 1,000 people screaming, if you want to be like the next Frank, the next this guy, the next that guy, the next Hezzy, the next Nas, you got to be ready for that. Because that's what they do. Your confidence got to be on 10. I can't play a lick of basketball, but I get out there and I try. I'm looking stupid as hell. You know what I mean? Like, dumb as hell.
I played against y'all when the cameras wasn't here, and I played my one.
We all said it. Play my man Bert.
Okay, I'm just
play my man Bert. Like, you gotta think about it, bro. You can't be here like I don't give a fuck, bro. Because you know how many niggas would beg to be here. Niggas would do anything in the world to be where you sitting right now. You can't sit there and say you don't give a fuck. Like you gotta try.
I never said that. Every day I say I appreciate.
Yeah, but don't act like you don't. But don't
I ain't
act
acting like that shit.
No.
I'm not acting like.
Tomorrow is another big day, man. We doing threes tomorrow. Skoob is gonna be a captain, Duke gonna be a captain, and Scar gonna be a captain, and Nesco gonna be a captain. Y'all been showing up, I can't lie, man. I'm happy with y'all performance. But tomorrow's the last day to do your thing. You know, try to be a little more selfish, but get the ball around. But tomorrow's the last day to do your thing, man. Y'all show up, y'all do y'all stuff, and we're gonna let the fans decide. See you boys tomorrow.